Hi, hi class. My name's Nicole Kelso, and I am currently completing my field placement at a methadone/Suboxone clinic. During my field placement, I provide weekly individual sessions to clients who are in the intensive outpatient program. I also am responsible for checking their weekly drug screen results as well as checking their group attendance. One thing that I really enjoy about my field placement is working with this specific population, which is substance abuse. I really feel that I understand this population and feel a connection to these individuals. It has been very helpful and rewarding working with clients who can't stop using drugs. When I first began meeting with them and watching them address their drug use over our time together and make life changes until they get to the point where they have completely maintained abstinence and are submitting negative drug screens and are able to complete the IOP program. One challenge that I feel that I have faced working with clients very closely who aren't able to stop abusing drugs and alcohol during their time in IOP. After 135 days in IOP or intensive outpatient, the clients who are still abusing drugs are offered inpatient treatment or rapid detox off the clinic. Many choose the detox, and it has been very hard for me to have to discharge individuals knowing the risk of overdose and the pain of withdrawal. One thing I have learned about myself during my field placement is that I'm very empathetic of others. At times, it is as if I can actually feel individuals' pain, and I've had to teach myself to control my emotions when they arise during these sessions. Thank you.